Of course, the moment I'm starting to film, my neighbors decide to throw a party. And I'm stepping into the most successful decade of my life. Hey guys, it's Ankia. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back, I guess. Today I'm going to talk with you guys about my dream board that I make. So let's jump into it. So I know this kind of video might seem a little bit random, but I've been filming this video for the last 3 years. Every time I've been making them for 3 years. So every time I make one, I film it, but I never post it. So I figured this year I am posting it. So first off, I want to show you my 2020 and 2021 board. The whole idea is to manifest and put your goals and your dreams and your wishes and things you want to do and achieve and get yourself, whatever it may be, you can put on here. I mean, it could be, the main thing is it has to be realistic. So you'll see my goals kind of shift, like they're the same, but they change. And I feel with each year they become more realistic, and I put smaller steps down for me to be able to achieve them. So on 2020, I really wanted to travel. This was the year that my sister still lived in America. So I really wanted, I'm trying to shield it. I really wanted to travel there. But of course COVID happened and all of that, and obviously it's really expensive and I didn't have the funds to go. As you see here, I really wanted to save. I did a little bit, but not to the extent I wanted to. Like, my goal was to save 10,000 Rand, but I didn't even hit close to that. And I wanted to travel a little bit more. I was really big into church this year. In 2020, it's when I joined the church for the first time. Not the first time, but this church for the first time. And I just felt so at home and at peace, and I just fit it in well with them. So that was on here because I really wanted to join this church. So I did that, and it's ticked. It has a little tick there. Also, I wanted to go on a cruise, but once again, COVID happened. And driver's license, but this is the year that I did my learners, and I passed that, obviously. And that is my vision board for 2020. Then I did 2021 just at the back here. So once again, this, you'll see this is a recurring picture. Is it on? Yeah, here it is on my first board. It is on this board, and it is on this one as well. This is my very own picture that I took when I went on my first vacation that I paid for fully myself. So I took that picture, and I'm going to take one again this year. I'm so excited. Obviously, my YouTube is on here. This was the year I started this channel, and I mean, oh, this is so nice. It's so hot today, and I just went for it and I did it. And obviously I have travel on here, but once again we didn't travel. So I wanted to save 8,000 Rand. Once again, I did not get close to 8,000. And when I mean I wanted to save this amount, what it is I don't want to save it to go on a holiday, or I don't want to save it for expenses or December vacation or whatever it may be. I still want all that savings, but I want an extra amount of money just saved, just because, like, whenever there's emergency or whatever it may be. I mean, you have your emergency fund, but I just wanted extra money saved up for whatever it may be. Like, if somebody said spontaneously, let's go this weekend, go to, let's fly somewhere or whatever, then I would want to be able to do that. So that's what that was for. But obviously I have school on here. I'll admit, this year in school I did well, but I could do better. So we're going to work on that really hard this year. License I did not get, and then I have really like this like grungy style of housing, like decorating. So I am really into that. So I really want to do that. And you'll see that's kind of like a theme. I have it on this year again. And then the thing is, you're supposed to have like a quote or a mantra or something you live by for the year. So mine in 2020 was, this is the year, which really wasn't the year. It said, I am stepping into the most successful decade of my life. And I'm going to keep this quote, and I'm going to keep it for the next 10 years. So 2030, that would be the last time I use it, because a decade is 10 years. So this was my 2021 board. So I took some clips of me making my 2021 board. There's a lot of empty space left. But I'm going to talk you guys through it and just explain to you what is on here, what am I envisioning, why there are so many boards, so many open board left, and just my thoughts on this.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out.
This is just an overview of some of the pictures that I have. So I have divided them, and I was thinking I'm just going to swiftly go through them with you guys. So this is the quote that I had on last year, because it's stepping in the most decade, and the decade is 10 years. So last year was the first. Yeah, I did this, so I'll be doing this for quite a while. And then obviously I have the here. Then this is my travel plans. This is actually my own photo that I took while I was traveling, and there's just little traveling things here. Then I have school down here, just random pictures of that. Of course, I wanted to get my driver's license, which was like it is a big thing, because I really want to get it this year, because if you watch one of my vlogs, I actually failed. So there's that. Then I want to save some money, and then of course I have YouTube up here. These pictures, I really want to get bangs, so I just got this pretty picture of her with her bangs, and I kind of want to change up my style. I really love this dress that you tuck into a shirt or a jersey, or I just really like the style. And then here I have homey bits. So you'll see my home style is actually something like this. This is what I like, but this is just more inspiration of things that I like. open space on 2022's board, but I have noticed this thing where I set goals as well, and then obviously I have these little things that I want to accomplish that I figure out during the year. So I leave space to put that on there, because obviously not everything you want could be put down in a picture. Like, one of my goals is to make sure that my desk is clean every afternoon when I leave the office. And if you've seen previous vlogs, you know that was a struggle. And I want to get a coffee machine, and I want to get a standing tripod, and it's a lot of materialistic things that I don't want to put on here, because that's like quick things that I can just do and get. So this is for like more longer term things and stuff that I want to do throughout. So that's basically why every board is kind of the same, but kind of not. So this is the close-up of the year 2022. So obviously I want to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I want to get my driver's license. I've put these things there just because I have them, and it was such a small space that I just wanted to fill them up. I want to travel. I really want to go to Robben Island. I know it's a shame that I live here and I haven't been there yet, but I really want to go. And this is just a pre-picture that I liked, about like from an airplane or something. And then at the back of Robben Island, you'll see there's an airplane picture. Obviously school, I really want to do well in school this year. Yeah. And then we have homie bits. I am in love with this. This is just so pretty. This would just be so pretty if I had that over there. So yeah, homie bits again, just to fill up the space. I really want to buy this Bible. I have this on previous board and I haven't bought it yet because I am struggling to find it. So if you have ideas where I could get that, let me know. And then of course I want to save 5,000 rand. When I say I want to save 5,000 rand, I don't want to save it for something specific. I want to save it so that I have these funds for whatever, whenever, you know, just doing my own thing. If I want to spend 5,000 rand on shoes, I would want to be able to do that. You know, I don't want to save it because I'm going on holiday December or whatever it is. This is on top of all of that savings. And I'm stepping into the most successful decade of my life. And there you have it. That is my vision board for this year. I'm so excited. And make yours, share yours with me, and let's dream big together. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.